shit. Oops. I literally read that and didn't do it. Fluffy. What is a tower? Can I jaywalk here? I do like this train. No, it's one of those days where I just not really feeling the vibes. It's strange. Typically I would feel like this is exactly my vibe, but today it just feels kind of weird. It's not symmetrical. You know, maybe I should look at a map. This is oddly reflective. Okay, if I go down this street and then take a right. Strawlers? Wait, I totally forgot the Danish. Lego. Wait, fuck, Lego is Danish too. What? Oh, what the fucking fire. That's sick. Oh my god, another non-symmetrical shot. Oh. Tivoripas. Interesting. Menu. See how much. Holy shit. Wait, how much is that? $22. I really wish I brought my fucking... Yeah. I think those white poles are a little bit off. This little thing looks cute. fucking tree is crooked. I'm just not in the right mindset, I feel like, to take photos. It's kind of like this is symmetrical. Let's go check out the subway. Dang, I like that. Nice. Nice. Bang. Bang. I just realized the escalator is not gonna be. Alright, I have to do something a little sketch.
Oh, it's pretty symmetrical. Symmetry is the biggest pain in the ass.
So you have this. Also cool. I really wish I brought my... I need to come back here with my... Image, I think. It sucks. What? That's fucking...
Den var god første gang. Jeg kender en, der faldt igennem glasset her. Simpelthen, det var for tyndt.
Sorry, I speak English.
What, you want to pick it first?
The glass is to thin.
This is the hardcore of Denmark. No, it's not.
One of my friends, he fell through the glass, and he
really?
actually...
No, he fell down the stairs and he died.
You see that escalator over there?
Yeah,
he broke his arm.
Yeah, we buried him last week. So it's not so nice for us to be here. But in his memory, you can
listen.
Yeah.
That's way too thin. That's way too thin.
You think so?
But they have installed.
Oh, is that a GoPro? Why are you wearing a GoPro?
No.